G'day, April. How you going? Um, all right, so I'm giving you and Carly the same exercise to do. So what that is we're basically moving a torus around from left to right. Maybe I'll get you to move it up and down. But the idea of this is that you learn how to do this, and then you can teach it to Rory and Willow, and I'm going to show them different things, and then all of you can teach each other, and that will all help with understanding the project. Okay, so can you please clear anything, delete anything, so you've got a blank space there. Click on the background and then hit tab. We go up to the black comp and then down to geometry. So click on geometry and then click again, and you'll have a geo sitting there. All of this, the idea of all of this is that you can stop the video whenever you need to, go back, keep playing it, but you build it as you go, and then try and build it without the video, and do it a couple of times, so then you just get used to the movements and you know what's going on. So here's our geo. We'll do the same thing again. We'll hit tab, and this time we want to get a camera, and then the same thing again, and we want a light. So this geo here is a torus, which looks like a donut, and that's kind of sitting in 3D space inside the computer. And to see it, we need a camera and a light. And then if we need to print it out or make it into something that we can show on a screen, we need to render it. So we hit tab again, and we go to the purple, and we go third row and down to the bottom we hit render, and there's render. Okay, so here's our torus there. We're going to do get one more operator, so we hit tab and we go to the green chop, click on that, and we go down third column again to the LFO. So click on LFO and then do that. Okay, so there's our LFO. That's going up to 1 and then to -1 and just keeps doing that forever. If you click on that and press A, that makes it active, which means that I can connect those numbers to anything I want to. And what I want to do is click on the geo, get a green square around that, and I want to take these numbers here from the LFO and put them either in this box here, in this translate, and what this translate means is it means move it in a direction. So this is the box for the X direction, so if I put it in here, this will move the torus left and right. This is for the Y axis, so that moves it up and down. And if we put it in here, it'll move further away and closer. So let's click on this, click and hold and drag it. Let's put it on the Y. This should make it move up and down. Click on export chop. Awesome. So we've got it moving up and down because this is going 1, then -1. So now I've just connected those numbers to the Y axis of our donut inside the geo, and it's moving up and down, up to 1, then back down to -1, and that'll keep doing that. So can you please teach this to Rory and Willow, and I'm going to show them some other things and they can teach you those things. Great.